This is what's going on right now at Fort Lauderdale Airport. A goddamn UFO is flying through the sky and everybody's like going insane right here. Wow. Guys, this is me filming. This is not Photoshop. Wow. I wish I had a better phone right now. Unbelievable. First time in my life I see something like this. And there's small ones flying around that's shining, sparking too. This is nuts. Everybody's filming. Wow, you see guys, everybody's standing filming with their phones. This is insane. This thing is going by fast. And the small ones around it are like shining and sparkling too. Well, the air traffic controllers are gonna have a hard time explaining this one. Unbelievable. Wow. Oh my God, there's like 6 or 10 other objects around it shining. I don't know if my camera is capturing this right now. This is insane, insane. Oh my God, there's like 50 of them now. Now they're all separated and there's like 50 different objects flying. Unbelievable. Looks like it's falling down. I don't know, looks like it might be crash landing. Wow. Looks like something just crash landed somewhere in Hollywood, Hollandale. Unbelievable.